Hi guys, thanks for watching. I did an abstract painting a while back and I did a live chat, and one of the viewers had told me they were actually thinking about doing a Zgallerie inspired piece of work as well. So they had an issue with what color to pick, and I suggested rose gold, but they did end up doing something different. So this is my version of rose gold. The only thing is I don't like the frame. So I'm thinking of changing the frame out. I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek and ask your advice on what color do you think the best color would fit this particular painting with the rose gold and the silver. And I'm also having another thing that I want you guys to consider, and that is, what do you think looks better? Do you think this picture would be better horizontal or vertical? But more importantly, I'm really wanting an answer on what type of color do you think I should change out the frame. I'm not going to paint it, but I am going to accent it by covering it up so that the frame stays pretty. The reason I originally went with this frame was because it looked rose gold to me. I know it doesn't in this actual video, but the picture that was originally in here made this frame look rose gold, so I thought it was the perfect frame for it. But now it looks a little bit of a bronze color. So yeah, let me know what color you think it should be. Should the frame be white, silver? Just let me know. Do you think it should be a pearl color? And yeah, let me know if you like it better horizontal or vertical. Thanks so much for watching.